Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and click on Project. Go to Setup and click on Project Cost Center. You can edit name by clicking on Edit icon and change the name if you want and click on Update Name button. Now navigate to right side under Action. There is an icon Add Group Name. Click on it. And add the name of project group. After adding group name, then click on Create Project Group button. You can also change the department given in the list below. You can select an option whether this project is development, construction, and operations. You can search your project given in the list and select the project you want. If you want to add an item, you can add item by clicking plus icon to add item. Now click on Create Project Account. In an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system, project costs refer to the total expenses incurred during the execution of a project.